today in this video we know about how many bundles of shingles do I need for a 10 by 20 foot shed roof. Here you have the dimension for the shed roof is 10 by 12 foot and the shingles material are used for roof covering and the number of bundles of shingles required for depends on many factors like the size of roof pitch, construction requirement and number and types of shingles per bundle. First we here make a rough diagram to understand about the dimension for the shed roof. You just make a rough diagram of the shed roof to understand about their dimension. This one is your shed roof and that is roof structure and that is the overhang. This one is overhang and the shingles material are put here in different pattern to cover the roof area. That dimension is 10 foot and this one is 20 foot. What will be the dimension for the roof size? As you know that here is the dimension of shed roof 10 by 20. It means the roof size is not equal the dimension as for the shed roof. It means the overhang length of the roof structure will be something like 1 foot for each side. It means you just add 2 foot length in each dimension of the shed roof. That's why the roof size is equal as 12 by 22 foot, and this is the dimension for the roof size. And another factor that is roof pitch also determine the roof size. Here suppose you have the roof pitch 6 by 12, you know that this will be right 6 inches and that will be 12 inches run. For roof pitch 6 by 12, one thing are used for calculation, that is multiplier. That will be equal as 1.118 is multiplier used for roof pitch, that is 6 by 12. First you have to calculate how many bundles of shingles are required. For that one you have to find out first total square footage area of that roof structure. 12 multiply 22, that will be equal as 264 square footage. And if you have to calculate the total square footage area of that roof, you need to multiply that square footage 264 with multiplier, that is for 6 by 12 roof pitch. If you multiply this one, this will come about 295 square footage area. And you know that the some shingles material are damaged during transportation, storage and installation, so it will roughly take about 10% for damage. 10% of that one is about 30. You just add 295, that is equal as 325 square footage area. It means you have to cover total 325 square footage area for the roof to cover with shingles material, and each bundles of shingles covers about 33 square footage area. Remember this one, each bundles of shingles covers about 33 square footage area and your total area is 325. And to calculate numbers of bundles of shingles required to cover that area, you just need to divide total area 325 by 33, that will come about 9.84 bundles. Round that one, that is equal as 10 bundles. It means you just need approximately 10 bundles of shingles material to cover 10 by 12 foot shed roof. Thank you.